GFCI outlets. They're these rectangular looking outlets that you should have in any wet location, your kitchen, bathroom, outside, your garage if you have one. What these do is, should you accidentally drop something in the sink or something get wet that your, electrical device that you're working with, what it does is all it takes is like 5 milliamps, which is a little bit of power or a little bit of a change in energy to trip these outlets. And what that does is helps protect you from getting an electrical shock. Now, if you don't have them, if your house is a little bit older, it wasn't a requirement back in the day. This is something that it simply can be installed by a handyman, or, if you're up for the task, I actually do have a video on how to do it. Just make sure you turn the circuit breaker off. But we want these in any wet location as a added layer of protection.